That's
So
Okay.
what you can resource group, right? Henry test 3.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can search for Databricks.
And let me create it for this resource group. Is that Henry?
Yes.
Databricks S3.
I'm not able to, like, my screen is frozen somehow, or
Oh.
I'm only yeah.
Hold on, give me a second.
Okay.
Is this better?
Yeah. Now I see.
There you go.
What's going
Okay.
on. Right.
Okay, so you can see me moving, right?
Yes.
Okay. So do I need to change it, or because I don't know why it's default premium?
Keep it at premium.
Yeah, premium. Okay.
Right.
And I didn't change it for my previous one. Okay. Great.
Okay. So
That's great.
yeah, just thinking about this again. Premium will cost more, right?
Yeah.
So, and I think we don't need premium. We can work with standard as well. So maybe you can delete this once it's deployed, or cancel the deployment. Yeah, you can cancel the deployment as well.
I would do the same thing. Okay.
Yeah. And standard delete. Yeah.
Okay. So, like, why is it default premium? What is that like?
Because it's profitable for Microsoft, right?
Okay.
To have
I
default premium. Like,
got it. Hold on. It's deleting that one.
Yeah, delete these if they're not.
It's deleting. It's in the process of deleting. I think so.
Yeah.
Let me check.
Yeah, you already have one. Yeah, right?
Do I delete it again? Because can I?
Yeah. If it's already deleted, then yeah, just write delete. Yes.
Okay.
Let's see what it says. Executing delete command. Okay, so it's still deleting it.
Okay. So what's the difference between premium and standard, by any chance?
So standard will give you only the notebook option, right? Premium will also, so it gives you two options. One is data science, one is machine learning, and so data science in Python and machine learning. If you go to premium, it also gives you the SQL option, right? So you can work similar to how you work on a SQL server.
Oh, but so it added language?
Yeah, exactly. It adds a language.
Oh, so what's all the language they provide?
Only two, right? Python and SQL.
Python and SQL. Okay. Because I see like they have Scala. What is Scala?
Scala is a framework. It's not a language, right? So just like so you have Hadoop, right, which is a clustering mechanism. So it actually uses Hadoop and Spark. So PySpark is the language, right? Python Spark, which will be used for Python scripts.
Okay. I see. So
Databricks.
And they also support R, right? They support R language for machine learning.
No, they don't support R.
Really? Hold on, give me a second. Let me set it up. Because when I was playing around with the notebook, there's option to select on R for some reason.
Okay, they might have added it. I haven't used R ever on Databricks.
Okay. No worries. Create. Yep. Okay. I don't know if I can show you the other one, so you can. So, but the main one is SQL and Python, right? It's like the main one. Okay. So that's the other one. That's the other resource group.
Yes.
It's not
So you need to start this cluster. This cluster already created, right? So first.
Yeah. This R.
Okay. Yeah. R.
SQL.
Might have added SQL.
I'm not sure this is premium one.
But then on a notebook it's difficult to work with this, right? So on the plus sign, right, where there is this plus sign, above that you see data science and engineering, right? So yeah, and above new.
Oh, new. Okay.
Above new, right? It says data science and engineering. Click on that. So right now you only see two options, right?
Yep.
And if you choose premium, it would also give you SQL, and then it would give you the query editor. So over here, we don't normally work with SQL on a notebook, right? On a Jupyter notebook, because that's not how we have learned it. So, but anyways, what we can now do is we can create a new notebook and try and connect to the SQL database we have created.
Yeah. Let me just do deploy. Okay. So just to test it.
Yes.
Okay. So
I shared a text document with you. Like I think.
still run it.
Yes. Now what you need to do is
Run it.
start, attach, and run. Yeah.
Okay.
You need to do that because it won't work. It would take some time. In the meantime, you can change these informations. Right. The database host should be the server name.
Okay.
Right.
I mean, I didn't put in that resource group, so I guess it doesn't work anyway. Does that work? It's different resource group though.
Yeah. So this is something that I created on my side, so it should be different for you.
Yeah, so it shouldn't work. Okay.
Yes. So you have that in Notepad, right? That
Yep.
information.
Yeah. I can just copy it later.
Copy paste it. Yeah.
And
No. So it should be sfm_stats.database, right? The name. Right.
This one.
Yes.
Oh, it's done anyway.
Okay. No, not here. Go back. Yeah. The database name is sfm_stats_test2, right? Because that is something that you deployed. Yeah. So you can copy the name.
S2. Anything else?
You can paste it here as well under database_name. On the notebook. No, we don't need anything else on here. Yeah. You need the database name. Yeah, port will be the same. Port doesn't change. The database_name will be what just copied, right?
Okay. Then wait, that's a different.
So you already have it in your notepad, right?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
It's right here.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
User will be what you have in the notepad. Username.
Okay. Got it. Oh, never mind. Okay, let's launch different resource groups. In this case, do cluster. Just finish. Cluster data.
You're creating a new Databricks instance?
Oh, I'm creating cluster.
Why?
To do it because like otherwise.
Cluster is not working for you?
No, I didn't have any cluster in this.
No, so go back to the other tab, right? The notebook tab.
Yeah.
On the top you have the notebook, right? Just next to Databricks. So where you were before this, right? On that same notebook.
Oh, this one?
No. I mean the one that you already have open on Chrome.
Oh, that's a different resource group. It's a different resource group.
Which one is this?
This one is I need to check resource group. This one is this resource group.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So
that's why I created.
Right. So you need to create a cluster.
Yeah, let me create a cluster. Is that fine with this way?
Yeah. Right. Just create.
So anything else after this? I remember it's gonna take a while. Saying that.
Yes. So first of all, stop this cluster, right? Because it costs money when this runs. So go to compute, on the left side, go to compute and terminate.
Okay.
Yes. Until the time that cluster is getting created, we can still create the notebook.
Okay.
Right. So you can copy what you have already done from here, right?
Yep.
So on the other tab where you were working.
Oh, other tab. Okay.
Yeah. Open the notebook from here.
That's
not this one. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Copy this.
Copy this.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
Yep.
Is it running? Hold on. Give me a second.
No, it's not allowed. Okay.
It cannot be completed.
Total regional course quota.
Yeah. What does that mean? Do I have to restart it?
No. So do one thing.
Okay.
You can delete this one.
Delete.
Right. Now create compute. And make it single node.
Oh, okay.
single node, and in the like where it says single user, yeah, just create a drop down. No, in the access mode,
Access.
yeah, where it says single user, just click the drop down.
It's just one.
No, I mean, just previous to this, right? You have this access mode single user, right? So click on single user.
Oh, okay.
Okay. No isolation. Okay, we are good with single user. Yeah.
Single user. Okay.
Yes. So try and create this now.
Okay.
Or else we will have to look at the subscription. How it's working.
Okay. So a question. So, because I run your code before, and then you said it costs money now. Like how much is that gigabyte dependent on the
Yes.
cost?
But
Dependence on the cost.
right. So it depends on both, like the kind of queries we are running, and then the time. So there is a fixed cost which is very less for running the cluster, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So basically, what's happening is that when you start a cluster, okay, it again gives an error. Can you point to that?
Allowed error message cannot be complete access results. Improve the total resource. Is that because my another resource group?
Yes, because of the another Databricks, I think it's not giving you a quota here to create a cluster.
Okay.
So it says current limit is 10 for location Australia Southeast. Okay, and you have already used 8. So you might have created 2 clusters already, right?
Okay.
So maybe you need to delete those Databricks instances if you don't need them.
Yeah, I don't think I need them. So
okay.
I'll just delete them all that.
I think you need to go in to delete it. Like you won't get an option here.
Oh, okay. So just delete it?
They delete, yeah.
Oh. Is it deleting or?
Yeah, it is. It says deleting.
Okay. Oh, I see. So it's just because I have a cluster in this Databricks, so I cannot go. So how many Databricks like limits do I have for standard version?
How many?
Oh, sorry, not Databricks. How many cluster can I create?
So basically, so it says right that you can create. So the minimum.
Is
what it says?
4.
Right, cores. The minimum core is 4, right? So
yeah,
anything that you create, you will need 4 cores, right? Any cluster you create. So the limit that you have is 10 for one account. So since you have created 2 clusters, so it has already used 8 cores. Right.
Okay.
And okay, now can you try and start this again? You don't need to delete this. Yeah, go back to this and click on start. Yeah, start and see if it starts. So the cluster is created. It's just that it's not starting.
Okay. Is it not deleting? It's still deleting.
Oh, can you refresh this page?
The resource group is still there.
Click on this. Still not deleted. Yeah. No, it did not delete.
The standard says deleting.
Oh, okay. It's taking a lot of time then.
Yeah, I didn't even put a lot of things in there. Okay.
Yeah. And do you have any other database instance apart from this?
Let me check. That's the only one, and the one I just created. Yeah, so it's still deleting, right?
Yeah.
Yep, deleting.
So in the meantime, we can work on the notebook, right?
Okay.
Till the time that it's But we will need to see what tables we have in that database, right? S7 stat test 2. So we can also see it on Azure as well, right? So you go to this database. SMM, yeah, right. And then go to query editor.
Editor. Now open. Wait, so I need to
Yeah, set firewall settings.
right.
Networking. Go to networking.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to do this in the SQL Server, not the database. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
just
and
go
click on OK. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And
add your client. Right.
And save. I see. It's done. Okay.
Scroll down a little. No, go back.
Go back.
Yeah, networking. Right. Scroll down.
Yeah. It's all the way down.
So then you need to also select. Scroll down. Select allow Azure services. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Click on save.
Okay.
Now you can go to the database.
I see. We didn't do it last time. Is that because
that was already selected, so I did not ask you. But somehow it was not this time. Yeah. Go to query editor. No, the password was not correct. Yeah.
Here we go.
Cool. So now you can see, open the tables view.
Yep.
Okay, we have all these tables, right?
Yeah.
So we can pick any one. Just maybe something which has.
Can I not open it?
You can right click on the table dbo.sale. Right click on it. Select top 1000 rows. So you just want to see what data is there, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, good. That's good.
Okay. So what you can do is in your notebook, go to your notebook, right? Where it says DBO in table, it says DBO.categories, right? So instead of categories, like the row 5, yeah.
Hey.
Yes. Just say DBO.sales. So DBO will be there, right? You just have to make it sales.
Yes. Oh, sorry. It's not capital. Yep.
Is it sale or sales? Can you check?
It's sale.
It's sale. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, with no capital, without capital.
Yeah. Okay, and the password is the ID is perfect.
URL's fine, right?
Yeah, this is fine.
Okay.
Now we will have to see if the cluster has started. Like, is that deleted?
Oh.
No, this is stopped, but we need to first check if that one got deleted, right? Okay. Yeah, just say okay.
This one?
Yes. Yeah, this is gone now.
It's gone. Okay.
Right.
So restart. Okay.
Yeah, we can try and start this.
There we go. Let me just double check.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's gone. I mean, I don't need this.
Yes.
Oh wait, no. Okay.
So in the meantime, we can add another node, right, to the notebook.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and it will connect to the exactly.
Yeah.
So it's using the same variables.
Okay, got it.
Right.
Got it. It's Python, yeah. Should be done. Oh, here we go.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. So now go back to the notebook, and where it says unknown, like we need to add the cluster now, right?
Yeah.
So on top it says run all and unknown. Yes. Just next to this, right? Select the cluster.
Okay.
Cool. Now click on run all.
Okay. Yeah, here we go.
Perfect.
Okay.
Right.
I see. Okay. Wait. So is this okay? So if I put the df equal, So if I just add another label.
Yes.
If I just say equal to cell label.
Yeah.
Is that work?
Yeah, it will move it to the variable df.
Okay. By the way, do you know what type of this is?
Like you can use this. Yeah.
Oh, PySpark. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's PySpark.
Let's delete this. Okay, so do I just search Power BI?
No. That's not how it's done. You need to first save this in Databricks, right? So what I will give you is, I will give you a command that you need to write now, and basically what that will do is that will save this sales table. So
Okay.
you can run this cell. Okay, this is done, right?
Yep, with that. I skipped. Is that right?
Right. So now the next step is connecting Power BI, right? That is a little tricky. So I will show you how that's done. So go to compute now.
Compute.
And click on the cluster, Steve. Yeah, click on this. Scroll down.
Scroll down.
Advanced
the
options.
lowest.
Yeah, right. Yes, and JDBC, ODBC. So you have the fourth option, right? Which is on the top. You have Spark, logging, right? Then there you have JDBC, ODBC,
JDBC.
right?
Okay.
Now you need to copy this path, right? Now what you need to do is, so it should be in the same format as. So instead of JDBC Spark, right?
So HTTPS.
HTTPS, yes.
HTTPS. Okay, got it.
Okay, and then you need to remove everything from default, right? So after 443, yeah, from default till where it says SQL, yes. So till HTTP path equal, right? So we need SQL. So don't remove that. Yes, we need SQL. Yeah, delete this. Delete default as well. And HTTP path as well. So we need it from SQL. Yes.
Okay.
Right. And you also need to delete.
Do you need this?
No, we don't need this. Okay. Yeah. So where it says auth mech, right? Auth mech is equal to 3. Remove all this. Remove till the end.
Okay.
Right. And this colon as well. Semicolon. You can remove this. Yes. So now copy this.
Copy this.
Open Power BI desktop.
I don't have Power BI.
Oh, okay.
I can use the remote. I don't know if they're on it.
Okay, you can check.
Let me check. Let's hope they're not. I don't think they are. Yeah, I don't think they are. Do I open a new window? File.
Yeah.
How do I?
So do one thing. Don't. Yeah. So new. Click on new.
Okay.
Okay. Now, yeah. Close this.
It's a bit slow. Yeah.
Yeah. Right. No issues. Go to get data. So on the top you can see paste, and just below this. Yeah. Just below insert. You see get data. No, don't use paste. Okay, it's okay. Go to get data. Get data. More.
Where?
No, more. The last option. The last option.
Online service.
Search for Spark. Right. The third one. Yes.
The third one. Okay.
Paste the URL that we just.
Paste.
Protocol will be HTTPS.
Okay.
No. Below you see protocol. Yeah. HTTP. Yeah.
HTTP.
Right. Click on OK.
Okay. We don't need to add this. Oh, it's optional.
It's optional. Yeah.
Username.
Okay. Go to Azure. Go back to Azure.
Okay. Yep.
Go to Azure Databricks.
Azure Databricks.
Yeah. So Databricks test 3.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can go directly to the cluster. Like we have already launched it, right?
Yeah.
So go to the cluster details, right? So the next tab.
Next. Oh wait, you can scroll
or you
down.
can launch the workspace as well. Right.
So, I said.
Yes. So we were already here.
Okay.
Okay. Go to like on the top right where it says admin @ yeah. Click on this.
Yeah.
User settings.
First
option. Yeah. Generate new token.
Oh, you have to generate a token.
Right. So give this any name. So and that would be your user ID.
Okay, this one generate.
Copy this and save this somewhere.
Okay.
Can you try token? Can you try token instead of test one?
Okay. Token. Oh. Wait, why is that?
Okay, yeah. So yes, username is token. Now you see the sale table that we just created in Databricks.
I see. Okay, so here we go.
Yeah.
Click it.
Yeah. So we have seen that we can connect it now, right?
Yep.
So this we won't use it, right? Because this is a test. We are doing. So we have completed all the steps, right? We have been able to bring in. Okay, and you can load it as well. Click on. No issues. We don't need it, right? But
okay.
yeah, we have completed all the steps now, right? So I think this is what we needed for the documentation part. Okay.
I think the guy is on now.
Oh, okay. So no issues. Let him work. And we have done the whole thing now, right?